Black, white.
Don't sing.
Black, white and gay. Sorry. Seriously.
अभी कुछ बचा ही नहीं है शेयर करने
के लिए. बेस्ट फ्रेंड like चड्डी वाडी.
भूल ही जाता है ना, इतने फनी स्टोरीज है ना उस.
That is what I hate about her.
Question is, it's really funny actually. I love
Nude class, fuck. Nude class है.
that he just can't keep a secret, you
Yeah, I can't
guys.
keep.
इसका आंसर तूने नहीं दिया ना तो I will kill you. Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dayani Sonone and if you're new here, please subscribe below. It will really mean a lot to me. So, do you have any idea what is this video is about?
No, actually, you've told me a bit to be real, but I was nervous facing the camera.
Yeah, this video is a boyfriend tag.
Boyfriend, yeah.
So I'm gonna ask you some questions and you have to answer it, or some questions are like we both have to answer. Okay, so are you ready?
I think so. Guys, help.
So first question is, when we meet?
So, like, we met in college, of course. And I think.
इतना सोचना पड़ रहा है. बस पूछा कब मिले.
No, actually, 2011 guys, and we were in the same dance group. So that was like in the auditions itself, I saw her first time. So it was not an interaction, but yeah, I was floored by her contemporary dance.
Like, do you remember like my first impression? Like, मैं भी ये आंसर करूँगी ये वाला question.
Like your first.
Yeah, my first impression. Yeah.
Like for me, it was like I told you when you were performing in the contemporary dance, I was like floored. I was like, oh, there is someone out here who can actually, levels. Like I am also into dancing, guys. So whenever I see a performing artist, I get floored. And this one was like super awesome. Her first performance. You can check it out.
I don't have the first performance का video है मेरे पास अभी, but yeah. तो my first impression of yours was 2011 Ganesh Utsav. So he was like dancing on the stage with our like common friend Akshay. He and Akshay was dancing. कुछ hip hop song था and he was like wearing knee length का t-shirt जैसे emo cut था and like hairy boy.
बाल चढ़ गए guys.
It's like a 10 years back, right? मतलब 10 साल हो गए अभी. सितंबर में था like गणेश उत्सव. तो it was like 10 years back. So yeah, that was like my first impression of you, like a cool boy, dancing and all. Like
I'm still cool, but.
Shut up. वो song याद है तेको मेरा?
तेरी दीवानी?
No. वो second year के गणेश उत्सव में डांस किया था.
देखो वो किया था.
Third year 2 years के बाद वाला तू बोल रहा है. वो इसका था. काली काली इन रातों में होने लगी
अनजानी
या वो सॉन्ग था एंड उसके ऊपर मैंने कंटेम्प्रेरी डांस किया था. लाइक वो टाइम पे ना ऐसे ऑडिशंस हुए थे और हमारे मतलब हम लोग फर्स्ट ईयर में नए आए थे एंड सारे मतलब फर्स्ट टू फोर्थ ईयर के ऑडिशन हुए थे और जो हमारा कॉलेज का जो डांस ग्रुप था उसके लिए ऑडिशंस था एंड वी बोथ वर लाइक सिलेक्टेड और उसके ऑडिशन में इसने मेरे को फर्स्ट टाइम देखा था.
और वो कार्टव्हील वाला कुछ किया था. कैन यू डू इट फॉर योर ऑडियंस?
क्वेश्चन को मत देखना. सो व्हेन वाज आवर फर्स्ट डेट? लाइक यू कैन डिस्क्राइब इट ऑल्सो. वो अपने तो छोटे कॉलेज वाले डेट्स नहीं कंसिडर होते बट लाइक ऑफिशियल लाइक वी वेंट टू Jalgaon and all.
Yeah, I know that. It was like a movie kind of thing.
Yeah, movie date. It was first, our first date was a movie date.
Because specifically from where we were, there were no proper places to date and hang out.
Yeah.
So like our college is in Jalgaon, so you can understand. But then we went for a movie. I think Hasi To Fasi. It was.
No.
Dude. No. You guys understand? It's a no. So you don't
Hasi To Fasi. Let me
Elizabeth Ekadashi.
Yeah,
exactly. I love that movie. Even she loves it, and I love her. So that is what is important. Yes, love is very important. No. I got confused. I got confused. This is not. I got confused with Hasi To Fasi and this. What Elizabeth Ekadashi?
I will tell you the story.
Yeah, sure.
Like our first date was a movie date, which was like Elizabeth Ekadashi, and after that we went to Domino's and we ate pizza. But he was talking about the like movie, like first movie together, like with friends he was saying that कि वो हंसी तो फंसी थी, like first movie together. Yeah, that was like our first
Yeah, that
date.
was like a first.
Next, yeah. So hey, don't look now. So who said I love you first? मेरे पास तो इसका बहुत ज़्यादा funny story है, but I want you to answer it. But फिर मैं बाद में बताऊंगी.
Yeah, actually I said it.
Do you remember?
And
when?
and the reason was like initially birthdays for me frankly was throwing parties. I have never received real presents, to be frank, because मेरा birthday भी guys vacation में आता है 3rd May and all. So only materialistic things like clothes, this, that I don't value as presents. But then there is this girl who is a good friend of mine, like we have spoken at length for days now, and the next day what she does is she puts in lots of efforts, trust me, and I respect efforts a lot. So she put in a lot of efforts, collected all the pictures and videos that we had together, and she put up a show, literally a show, like a video show, and there was background music going on. It was super romantic, I thought, because for someone who you consider a good friend, like the bond was just growing. And I didn't expect it, to be frank. I was like, "Arey dost hai, fish kar degi," and all. But then that was very touching for me. And the words that she had written inside it, I'll show you the videos for sure. But it was very touching. And I'm a very genuine guy. I get hit by emotions. And so it was very emotional for me. And I was just looking at her and I was like, dude, I love you. No one's like ever done anything close to this for me. And so I was very touched. And I instantly, like, my reaction was I love you, so I couldn't stop it. No, whatever comes from the heart.
Yeah, so next question is like when you felt that, yeah, this is my girl.
Like, to be truthful, there was not a definitive moment, like, moment that did it. It was over time, like, gradually, like I said, it was from the heart, the I love you thing. And I really meant it. So I was like, yes, Ani, this is something special. Like, you have to give it all your and all that in my head. But then there were a lot of sacrifices. Like the next birthday also she prepared kadi chawal. Like, she remembered these small things. And, I started to believe that, like, this is not just for time being, and she actually notices and take notice of what you like, and she puts in so much effort that, that was the moment. Like the kadi chawal was like, for me food is something so close to my heart, and then she in hostel preparing kadi chawal, guys, it's tough, it's super tough.
We used to like इंडक्शन भी नहीं था, वो सिगड़ी आता था, वो इलेक्ट्रिक, वो हमारा रेक्टर को अगर मिल जाता था ना, वो ऊपर से 4th फ्लोर से फेंक देती थी, तोड़ देती थी वो
रेक्टर एंड ऑल. इन लोग यहाँ पे तो बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट था गाइस. सो वो इतना एफर्ट, ऑल्दो मैंने सिर्फ एक निवाला खाया उस कड़ी चावल का, बस दैट वाज इनफ. दैट वाज लाइक, दिस इज इट गाइस, इज इट, खाना फिक्स, खाना फिक्स. So yeah, so in our case it was like, like same, a way to a man's heart is through his stomach, basically. So that like literally suits. No, but it was gradually, it was not at all.
Yeah,
but that was the time I was like, chat, शादी, पट्टमंगनी और व्याह, whatever.
Oh, तब तुमको लगा था will you marry me? तब?
हाँ, मतलब that was like, yeah.
Like my next question is,
that was like a seal the deal.
Yeah, my next question is related to that. At what point did you decided to make it official? So yeah, I think it's related to that only.
Yeah, but it's related to it, but it's like she knows this also. Like, I'm an open book. I don't really have to make it official. My every action is official. So, but like I said, during that moment only, it was like a seal the deal, and I was like, now I don't need to worry about, the world or what they think or others. So we started holding hands and all that. These are like small actions in Jalgaon, but like, it had so huge impact, like, and
yeah, he you know what, like we were like in college, engineering college, and he was from different branch. He was from biotech and I was from computers. तो हम लोग को ऐसे था कि हमको compulsory हमको attendance लगता था. Even for you also, तुम लोग को भी था कि compulsory attendance था. But he like never went to college. मतलब he used to fail. Like he used to say
fail?
नहीं,
I never failed, guys.
Failed बोलायचं होतं मला. So he used to say, मतलब तू बोलता था ना कि तेरे को मतलब समझ में नहीं आता इन लोग का teaching and all.
I didn't understand the teaching part.
Yeah, तो he like never went to college. और ये मेरे को शाम में मिलने आता था. And इसके कॉलेज के
और HOD का BP high. HOD used to watch me. He was like, what are you doing? Like, are you paying the fees?
इसका एचओडी ना देख लेता था हमको, फिर इसको पेलता था बहुत ज़्यादा.
Sorry sir, from the bottom of.
I don't think he will watch this video.
I'll send him. One more like this is the banters we have.
तो he never went to college. हम लोग तो डांस के इसमें ही मिले थे, फिर बाद में फर्स्ट ईयर के बाद लाइक वी वर इन लाइक सेम डांस ग्रुप. फिर हम लोग को वो डांस ग्रुप भी लाइक पसंद नहीं आया, तो फिर ही लाइक उसने अपना डांस ग्रुप बनाया और मैंने अपना डांस ग्रुप. तो मेरा एक गर्ल्स डांस ग्रुप था एंड तो हम लोग का राइवलरी भी था.
अच्छा हम लोग फर्स्ट थे हर
Shut up, no.
We always got the first prize. Error, you can still go in college and ask about error, they'll tell you.
I don't think so.
Yeah,
No guys.
it was like second best.
No.
Second best I'm giving you.
No, we also won.
Yeah, they also won. But second, that is all. Guys, this banter will go on for life. You want this video to continue like that? You tell her to do the next question.
So next question is, what is my favorite TV show?
This even I don't need to tell you guys. It's like Friends, and everyone knows it. Like she's like mad Friends fan. You know, like she has seen it like million times, and she knows every scene. Even the undergarments, I think she knows.
No.
Every inside. So like she knows everything about it. Like that is the reason I'm giving this reference. You know that what that monkey was wearing. Even I know because of her now. What that monkey was wearing, and she
like not wearing and all, but I know like literally I know the dialogues
and yeah,
from
one more thing I need to share is that she gives character names to people around her based on Friends. Like this is Phoebe, this is Monica, I am Rachel, and all that. Like she takes
I'm a combination of Rachel and Monica, I guess.
Yeah, Monica, I agree.
Yeah, you are the Chandler Bing for sure, but like you are the funny guy yeah, he was like so. तेरा nickname बता ना college का. What they used to call him.
No, we'll not go there. That is not something which is important.
That journey, like hostel journey, college journey, like.
So like she knows everything about me. There's nothing like
And one thing about him that he just can't keep a secret, you guys. उसके पेट में मतलब तुम्हारे पेट में कुछ like रहता ही नहीं है.
I accept it on social media.
Birthday surprises होते हैं ना, वो भी ये नहीं कर like मतलब.
आज मेरे को रात को नींद ही नहीं आती. मैं क्या करूँ अगर कुछ रख के सोया ऐसे पेट में या हार्ट में तो मेरे को नींद ही नहीं आती. That is the truth. फिर पूरा जब तक मैं सुबह 6 बजे तक किसी को बता नहीं देता ना तब तक मेरे को नींद नहीं आती. So that is the truth.
That is like one thing about him. Like let's move on to next question. Which is your favorite like trip, like our trip together?
Like very tough choice guys. I'm confused between 3, but I have to say it's Clam Echo. Like when we visited Manali. So yeah.
So it is placed in Hamta, yeah, Seton village के पास. So Glampico, and I have made like a whole series, so I will mention it above here. And that trip was like so magical, yeah. And we witnessed like snow for the first time in our life. So it was like first experience together. So it was like so special.
And the skies and the weather had gone mad. So the magical skies you'll find on her feed also, whatever we've captured. And then we got a lot of furry friends, a lot of friends from Bombay, like
By the way, he's scared of dogs, even puppies.
But Coco is some other breed. Coco, I love you.
So yeah, let's move on to our next question. So when or where did you meet my parents, like my mom?
Like meet is first time in this apartment only in Pune.
I met his parents at their anniversary, 25th anniversary.
I had invited her to meet.
Yeah, and like his whole family was there, and मतलब सबको मिले. Literally everyone knows me. Like तब से everyone knows me.
My family is super chill.
Yeah, his dad and his mom are like super chill people, and I love them. Yeah, let's move on to our next question. Who's my favorite YouTuber? I'll kill you. You know it, and I have mentioned her like a lot of times.
Yeah, I know. I can't remember. I know she is a her, but I don't remember her name.
I'll tell you her like surname or first name. एक बता, मैं तेरे को बताऊंगी फिर.
I don't remember her name. That is the only part I forgot. And I know her. Like,
At
I
least
don't
tell
care.
something about her, like how I mentioned her और क्या मैंने बोला था उसके like.
Like, you know, she told me that she has also grown from scratch, and you know, she has also, like, her journey is also somewhat similar to her, and she makes videos.
Okay, but no, like I mentioned, like specifically mentioned that if I like collab with her now in someday in future, that will be like the greatest day of my life.
Of her life. So if you're listening, I don't remember your name. Don't take me in your video, but take her. She remembers everything. About
Yeah, it's Mrudul Sharma.
Mrudul Sharma.
Yeah, I love her. I love her content. Like I just love her. Like she's like so amazing. And actually, the reason behind it na, why I love her, she like so resembles Mamta. Like she like looks like her.
Mamta
like
is her best friend.
Like Mamta is my best friend, and the Mrudul Sharma like looks like a lot like similarity in them, like height wise and all.
Somewhat.
तो yeah, I really like her. अभी याद रखना.
Yeah, after this video, like, I'll forget. Worldwide हो गया.
So next question is like, what was my first job?
Her first job, guys, was I think a remote data exchange as a software developer, and I remember it because it was super special for me, at least, because I had seen her struggle. You know, this is the bloom and the smile and that you glitter you see. No, there's a lot of hard work she puts in behind it, and I really respect her for that. This is not for the camera. You can switch off the camera also. I'll say the same thing. So yeah. But I was super proud when she, you know, told me. I was in Vapi. I used to work there. It was kind of long distance setup, and we were really working. We were freshers, so we had to learn.
Yeah, and we were in the long distance relationship. Like हम लोग को college के बाद like you worked in Mumbai, you worked in Vapi, तो बहुत long distance भी था. Like
yeah, बहुत सारा था. And the day I remember like vividly, the day she told me that, you know, I got the job. Then she had kept a secret for a while till I come back from my from my office and all. And then in the evening when she told me, I was just going back and I was on scooty. So I just remember I was like, wow, finally, like, you know.
Yeah, it's really hard. Like for freshers, it's really hard.
Entertain anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, and when she told me, I went to McDonald's first. I celebrated on her behalf also because we could not. The video was on, and I literally had a veg burger for her in McD. I never have anything vegetarian. But
yeah, he's non-vegetarian and I'm vegetarian.
So I had one chicken for me and one veg for her. But yeah, I was really happy, and it was her first job.
Yeah.
Now don't ask about your other job. Yeah, okay.
So next question is it's really funny actually. मतलब मेरे को हंसी आ रहा है वो क्वेश्चन देख के. Like what do we usually argue about? I'll tell you my answer, but first you tell. Like what do you think? Like what we like usually argue about?
Guys, like I'm scared now. There are a lot of things to pick from. So
No, but usual. You have to tell the usual.
It's actually funny because we argue always about lots of things.
Like
I forget a lot of things.
Yeah, he like forget a lot of things, so I have to, you know, like always.
Yeah, I'm like a kid basically. I'm lots of work, and she puts in lots of work on me. I get that part, but I don't do it purposely, guys. Come on, show some sympathy for me also.
No sympathy for him, sympathy for me. Also, we mostly argue about. Okay.
Everything.
No. मतलब he is like totally different person from me. Like we are like totally different two people. Like हमारा choices भी same नहीं है.
Remember, नहीं बोलो.
Can I speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
And he talks a lot और मेरे को बोलने का मौका ही नहीं देता है ये. Like I speak like really less. मैं बहुत कम बोलती हूँ और ये बहुत ज़्यादा बक इसका बहुत ज़्यादा बक चलता रहता है. Like that is not the thing we like argue about, but that's just like we are two different people. तो yeah. बट ऐसे बड़े बड़े आई डोंट थिंक कि हमारे ऐसे बड़े बड़े झगड़े होते हैं. और वन थिंग हम लोग
बड़े हम लोग बस छोटे झगड़ों को बड़ा कर देते हैं.
10 साल में आई थिंक बहुत बड़े लाइक 2 झगड़े हुए होंगे.
एकदम मतलब वो होता है ना कि 2 शेर एक घर में नहीं रह सकते ऐसे एकदम बर्तन नहीं चला. जैसे तो 2 बड़े झगड़े हुए थे. बट आई डोंट थिंक कि उससे और वन थिंग ऑल्सो कि हम लोग ऐसे झगड़ा भी अगर हुआ रहेगा ना तो हम लोग दोनों का नींद नहीं आता अगर हमने बात नहीं किया रहेगा ना एक दूसरे से. वो खत्म करके सुख है वरना सुख तो है ही नहीं.
तो वो एक चीज़ है हम लोग को दोनों को नींद नहीं आता है.
नहीं
अगर झगड़ा हुआ रहेगा तो वो सॉल्व ही होगा, उसी दिन ही होगा. या सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज माय फेवरेट कलर?
Come on, dude. This I obviously know. It's nude. Or it's black, white.
Don't say
Black, white and grey. Nude color, yeah.
one color. I told you my like million.
White.
Yeah, so say white, no?
White, yeah, white. No, but you know, she is also. I got confused because
And
she
it's
is
not a
given me.
nude color.
No, she's.
It's a neutral colors, dude. And you don't say.
Sorry, not nude colors. Fuck. Nude class है. ये हमारे दिमाग की गंदगी है.
तेरे.
नहीं इसके.
So
नहीं,
yeah,
it's
so
neutral
white.
colours.
Say white.
White, yeah, white.
Like
say
white.
white when you're putting a word into
No,
my mouth.
like-
Yeah, I know it's white. It's white. I know it.
Yeah, and he's black.
Yeah,
Again,
mine is black. Again,
like we are two
contrast.
different.
Contrast.
Yes, he's black and I'm white. Like my
Yeah.
favorite color is white. So let's move on to next question. Am I superstitious?
No, not really. I don't think so. Because that is something which is a very common sight in both of us. We only believe in things we see with our two eyes. That is a very good thing about us. Like anyone tells us anything, we don't believe it. Even though we nod, we don't believe it. So please don't tell us crap.
So next question is what is I am scared of? इसका आंसर तूने नहीं दिया ना तो I will kill you.
Guys, lizards, reptiles, and me forgetting her birthday.
You don't forget my birthday, but yeah, lizards. I am like most scared of
Frogs,
lizards.
lizards.
Frogs, lizards, like reptiles.
Reptiles.
Yeah, I am like really scared.
Or-
Question is how often I call you?
Like, yeah, she does call to you know, just generally ask and all, but she's not too. From what I get is like she's not too, like we both are same person that way. Like we just want to know that the other person is safe and that is enough.
Yeah, we don't like बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे
बहुत ज़्यादा.
परेशान.
We both are not call people to be
Yeah,
frank.
we chat a lot.
Yeah, but like a message and all is cool. with
But
us.
we are not like a phone person.
Phone person
Yeah.
that you know talking and all. Yeah. I think we are similar in that.
But we used to in college. Like
Yeah, in
we used
college,
to talk
तो-
a lot. College, but not like now.
Yeah. Like start में होता है ना थोड़ा नया प्यार and all that.
Yeah, we used to like सुबह तक बात करते थे फोन पे.
Yeah.
Hostel
I don't know
में.
how, but we used to like there was so much to share. That's what I was
Yeah.
talking about previously.
अभी कुछ
We
बचा ही नहीं है
connected.
शेयर करने
Yeah,
के
like
लिए.
we connect.
He knows everything about me,
Yeah,
like my
and-
friends, everything.
And that is the reason in my first answer, like I told you, the love gradually increased because of the connection and the the things we used to share. We used to share everything. So that was it, like
Yeah.
it's my best friend, like chaddi buddy.
So next question is complete this sentence. My girlfriend is dash dash.
My girlfriend is ambitious. She's super ambitious. That is the word that counts. And it's like, she's full of belief. Like, if she believes in something, she'll put in everything. Like, be it any relationships also, her commitments also, her connections. My girlfriend is ambitious. The wing woman is going to rule. I know that. Like, she does not really need anyone for the success mantra. And I know, like, those are superficial things. But, from, like, coming from a small town and a humble background, you don't know much about cities and metros, and then competing with the likes of, like she said, Mronal is her.
Mridul.
Sorry.
Fuck.
Mridul is her, like, favorite YouTuber, and she idolizes and she wants to become. Yeah, so she's on the right track. That's what I can guarantee. And that's it.
Okay. Thanks for that. And the last question
Yeah.
is describe me in 3 words.
First word I had already shared. Ambitious.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very childlike. What do you say? Child's innocence, or childlike. That. And third is like full of love. If you are in her good books, you will get lots of love. And just crazy things, guys. Crazy. She's crazy also. Like crazy love. I can use 2 words for the third term. Like crazy love, and like full of life. Like you want it. Like, and those are the things which are very similar. Like yeah, we are like, I don't know about full of love. I'm not, but I just know that we are very ambitious and people who want to have positivity and good vibes in our lives. So we control, alt, delete everything. I don't say there are no downs or problems. There are issues, but then that's what it is. Like we believe
We
in control.
overcome that.
Yeah, we are like control, alt, delete. We don't focus or give our energy to it, and we are happy in what we have. don't regret anything. So yeah, that's
So,
it.
do you want, like, you have any questions for me? Like, I asked you a lot, most of the question you answered. So, do you have any questions for me?
Yes.
So, shoot.
Yeah, like, you know, guys, she told that, you know, I don't remember anything, this, that. So now it's her turn. Let's go there. So, what was the first birthday present I got you?
You got me.
Yeah.
He got me this Tweety, yellow color का Tweety thing from Archie's.
That is what I hate about her. She remembers everything. And
तेरे को भी याद नहीं होगा, but मेरे को याद है.
dude, I remember, that is the reason I asked you.
अच्छा,
It's
okay.
not coming on to me now. I remembered, इसलिए I approved, no, that tweety. I would have said something different
Okay,
if I didn't know.
okay, my bad.
And then, guys,
Yeah, that's why I call him Tweety. Actually, he used to call me Billa Mama, or like,
her eyes are like cat eyes.
so he always used to call me Billa and
And
Billa
people
Mama.
used to call me China ka mal because of her. She looks Chinese, guys. Actually, I know.
So yeah, so that's why he got me this Tweety, because he used to call me Billa Mama and I used to call him Tweety.
It's silly, guys. Silly. You're Nibbane. Yeah, that's it. I don't have much to ask, you know.
Okay.
She's giving me treat for this, you know, for this video. I mean,
Oh.
she has promised. And
No.
She does not give. I'm commenting below, but she has not fulfilled her promise. So
What the fuck? But I never promised.
this is not for free. I'm not doing any videos for free. Yeah,
Sure.
I'm getting my treat.
I will see that. Okay.
But guys, I just hope, you know, whatever.
So I think we'll wrap up now. I think it's gonna be a very long video. So yeah, that's it for today, you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to us.
Plus.
Yeah. So yeah, please subscribe, and yeah, for now, bye. See you in the next video.